myself, Jagadheeshwari, Assistant Professor at the Department of EEE, Ahmed University. And today I'm here to talk about power electronics for ship propulsion system. And before moving to the topic, we should know what is a power electronics. So power electronics is a branch of electrical engineering that deals with processing of high voltage and current to deliver power that support a variety of needs. To talk about power electronics, the major part behind the power electronics is the power semiconductors devices. So we have various devices such as diode, thyristor, transistor, MOSFET, IGBT, etc. So mainly used to provide a fast and efficient way to switch electrical power on and off. So where it works and what are the major application of this power electronics is especially in ship propulsion system. We are using in 4 stages like power generation, power transmission, distributions and power control. And if you talk about the basic the block diagram of power electronics, we have various components behind. So one is the input power, what we normally use to give, and the power converter, which is a major part in power electronics, and we have an output, and we have a feedback and control unit. In the sense, it is mainly made of switching devices, which means power converters. So power converters is basically a major switching devices we have. And if you talk about the switching devices, obviously we may have various losses or there like switching losses or conduction losses. Coming into the types of power electronics, we have various types of power electronics converters are available. So based upon our requirements, we can use it. And some of them are converters, which converts AC into a DC, which means fixed AC into a variable DC power. And we have inverter, fixed DC into a variable AC. And we have AC to AC converter, it's also called as AC voltage controller. And we have a DC to DC chopper. The major components, if you talk about in power electronics, we have a rectifier, inverters, DC-DC converters, we have AC to DC converters, power semiconductor devices. For filter purpose, we may use inductor and capacitors, transformers, and control circuits, finally protection circuit. Then electrical converters on a ship power system. So normally the ship runs, that power generation is 6.6 kV for a ship. And the power electronics plays a major role. It's a building block of a variety of power electronics converters, especially for changing the voltage level from AC to DC, and also changing the frequency. That is the major, since the ship propulsion system is mainly dominated by a variable frequency, right? So the power electronics converters, which is very essential for a power system. The electric propulsion of ship is mainly dominated by variable frequency track, which means the fixed frequency into a variable frequency power at the motor terminal. Since this VFD, variable frequency drive, is much essential, this frequency may vary to which the required propeller speed during various phases of the ship operation, like approaching and leaving a port and while cruising at various speed. So the frequency plays a major role here for electric propulsion. So a common electric propulsion package fitted on many crucial ships consists of 21 MW of gas turbine driving a 21 MW generator that powers a synchro converter and cyclo converter. The layout of the power system in ship, we may have 4 stages: power generation, transmission, distributions, and finally load control. And normally we may have gas diesel turbines. We may use it as a main generator. And with the help of various converters and inverters, the power electronics switching devices, we are converting and we are stepping down those voltages into 440 volt, 60 Hz. And from 440 to 660, we may send it into the various loads in the ship. And the major importance of power electronics is plays a vital role in providing a power based on a desired specification. So based upon our requirement in ship, we may use our power electronics devices efficiently. And the major benefits of the power electronics is it's a high power density power supply. It's a wireless power transfer. We can transfer the power wireless, and the efficiency, it must be a 99% in power conversions. Thank you.